All right.
Take out all the car and
Working worse.
been through worse, bro. Antes en el invierno we used to have to work outside. Like that? Ooh. We got spoiled now, bro. Ahora. Give me one of those.
See, these guys are holding the place.
¿Y eso? Para sellar todo,
Good.
todo lo del motor. Porque estaba liqueando el güey. Yeah. Y ya ellos vinieron a chequeármelo y pues todo película de ¿Es mal pedo no? Yeah. Oh, ripped it right back. ¿Pasaron? ¿Qué eran? ¿15?
96. I think it goes the wrench.
We'll get them started. This guy. Oh, that ese trae un motorcito en medio. Ah, it has this. Oh, ustedes la pueden ordenar entonces. Yeah. Plug one. Just go tap that center and reset. You could put this at tap this center.
Hold on.
Wow, look at that.
Damn, they're really fouled up.
Go ahead. En medio, güey. Y no lo quiero mostrar.
It's a little dress-up kit. Yeah, 16 I think it is.
I just... We're going into... Wait.
No, we got that for that.
What is that? Is that a 7.3?
6.0.
6.0? Yeah, because I know most of them.
And it loves injectors. It loves eating those motherfuckers up, man.
Go again. Go again.
Ahí está.
We're dead.
You're right there.
We're dead. Oh, right there.
See? It just clicked on the cancel. We're good.
Okay. Hold on. Go ahead. Do it again.
What?
Hold on. Okay.
Sí, porque antes sí sabía bien culero, pero de qué viene siendo el qué, de la estaba
See?
Yeah. Oh man, that's just gonna be fucking.
What was here was all silicone. There was no real gaskets. So we were just trying to clean it up so we get it to the shop. So we put in the new valve cover gaskets, the new intake gaskets. We cleaned up the intake. We retuned the carburetor, put all new gaskets in the carburetor. And it's just so we can get it to the shop. And then at the shop, we're going to see if we can get the hoses braided. We're going to add his AC. We're going to lift the front because it hits the headers. And I think that he may have broken this header over here. It has like it's got a leak. We got to change out the cables because especially the back one over here is completely burnt. And they look fucking ridiculous. They're ugly as fuck, man. Look at those things. Look at this. Stupid.
I mean, overall, it's a good investment.
Overall, it's a good investment. I mean, it's just little things that need to be just cleaned up. He also wants us to do we had his new dashboard. So we're doing the Dakota Digital install on it. We took his dashboard. We had it painted the same color as the car. So that's sitting at the shop. We have a new tilt steering wheel, steering shaft. Brand new steering wheel coming in. We're gonna clean up the whole front wiring system because it's got a whole bunch of cut wires. It's got a whole bunch of splices and tape in there, and it just looks like shit. The steering column, somebody popped the lock, so it doesn't need a key. We just did all the locks on it. The first time we were here, we did all the lights on it. So we changed all those little light bulbs into LEDs and stuff and whatnot. Looks cool, function right, whatever.
Right.
Yeah, so it's got a couple other things that are gonna happen to it. Prior to what we just did to it, but we're also going to take apart the inside and just put in that the dampener, I think it's Dynamat. I'm not entirely sure, but something like that.
Now, is he looking to, ride it for a while, or does he want to
That's what I'm
resell
telling
it?
him. He was trying to get into getting a brand new engine, and he wanted to dude, when you just bought this thing, most people don't understand that when you buy a car, you want to drive it, and yeah, you want to do some upgrades to it, but a lot of people overwhelm themselves and bite off more than what they can chew. You know what I mean? So what ends up happening, it's where people like myself just come knocking on the door. Like, I hear you have a project you don't want, and so they get fed up because they want it too much too soon. Look too close to the sun. So I just told them, just use it. Engine sounds great. Let's get it up to par, and later when if you want to spend some more money on it, we'll change the top end of it.
So is that a 454 now?
It is a 454.